Onyema. Hello? Hello? Hello, Onyema. I can't hear you. Hello, my son. How are you? That network. That you're coming back to Nigeria? Okay. That's beautiful. Hope you are not coming back with that man you call your wife. Eh? Leave her there and come back to Nigeria so that we'll look for a good girl for you to get married to. A good girl from a good family that will give you plenty children. Eh? Let me... I will say whatever I want to say. I'll call her whatever I want to call her. And nothing will happen. Yes, now. I told you, I talked to you as my son. You refuse to listen. Yes, you refuse to listen. You said you were looking for beauty. Now that you've gotten beauty, how far? How far now? How about also? I go a mile. Onyema, listen to me. You are my only child. And you know you cannot leave me like this. I need a wife that will give me children. Marry a wife that will give me plenty children. I need children. Kampun nage alinchini. Yes. Do you want your father's lineage to close like that? I've told you. Come back and let her be there. Come back alone. I will get a good girl from a good family that you get married to. Okay? Trust me. That is your business. I've told you what I've told you. And you are going to follow what I said. Please, I've said my own. Bye-bye.
Her sickness has defied every medical and traditional solution. So, as it is right now, we are left with our fate.
Your Majesty.
No matter how bad her situation might be, I strongly believe it can be controlled medically. So I suggest we fly her out of the country as soon as possible.
Philip, that would not be necessary.
Oh, Your Majesty, we need to do something fast to save her life.
Philip, I have tried everything. We have sought medical solutions, traditional medicine solutions, and what have you. But all to no avail. So anything we're doing now will not yield anything positive. Trust me on that.
Your Majesty, can I take a look at her and see things myself? That way. Your mother's situation is very critical. I suggest we fly her to India as soon as possible for the right treatment.
Well, Dr. Philip, the truth is that we've tried several hospitals. We even tried several herbal homes, all to no avail.
My prince, I strongly believe there are good hospitals in India where she can get adequate health care. Your Majesty, her situation is really, really bad. We can't let her die. We need to act fast.
Philip, as it is right now, my hands are tied. There is nothing I can do. Absolutely nothing anymore.
Your Majesty, I can make the necessary arrangement to ensure that she travels. Let us try better healthcare centers. Let us try capable hands.
Philip, like I said, there is no need for that. As it is right now, the gods are in control.
What?
Oh, yes.
The gods? What gods?
First, she coerced my daughter to abandon her marriage. As if that was not enough, she practically forced my daughter to carry out an abortion.
What?
Yes, abortion. And so, the gods are taking a toll on her because of her evil deed.
Princess, is that true? Princess!
I'm sorry. My mother made me do it. She said if I don't abort my 3-month-old pregnancy and leave Greg's house to come marry you, that she will kill herself. It wasn't my fault. She made me do it. I'm sorry.
Princess. So you have been the cause of these setbacks all along.
It wasn't my fault.
You all lied to me. You all made me believe there was no child involved.
My mother and brother pushed me to it. It wasn't my fault. They pushed me to it. I didn't want to do it.
Princess,
I can clearly understand that you aborted your child just to get married to me?
They made me do it. I didn't want to do it. They made me do it. It wasn't my fault. Sorry, please forgive me.
What goes around, it must come around. It must come around. What goes around, must come around. What goes around must come around.
Hey!
What goes around.
Onyinye, come inside. No. Why? Sit down. Sit down there. Drop your bag. Sit down. How do you like your husband's mansion? Yeah.
It's beautiful.
You see this kind of house with the beautiful color. See the curtains. Very beautiful. The kind of babies you'll be making in this house. Chala chala nwa.
What is going on here?
What does it look like going on? Barrel the woman?
No. Don't tell me you came all the way from the village to insult me. I will not take that from you.
I can
Don't try it.
insult you the way I didn't fit. You and your evil mother and brother connived to kill Onwatisha's unborn child. You are evil.
Mama, sorry.
My handsome son is here.
Mama, who's this? I didn't tell you I wanted a house help.
My son, Onyinye is your new wife.
What?
Not the maid.
Philip, what is she talking about? What is going on here?
My son, I am your mother. I will never deceive you. I warned you 5 years ago to be wary of what we are delving into. But you didn't listen to me. You insisted on doing what you thought was right for you. Princess is cursed.
Woman, I'm trying so hard not to insult you. Don't push it.
And who demanded for your respect?
Don't push it. Mind the way you talk to me. Philip, talk to your mother.
The gods have blocked your womb and struck your mother with an incurable disease. Please, leave my son alone. He's all I have got. I need grandchildren.
Philip, I will not stand here and listen to this rubbish. Take care of it. And I want that thing out of my house.
It's you that will leave my son's house. Now, come and see your mother.
Mama,
My son.
are you here to cause trouble?
That I brought a fine wife for you. Look at her now. This girl I brought for you is a virgin. No chassis. Not like that Tokumbo you called your wife. Look at her now. Is she not beautiful? You know? check and balance. Elna, don't you like what you see? Your mother has an eye. Onyema, don't worry. This is your home. I've brought you and you have come to stay. Bring your bags, let's go inside. Bring them. Let me go and show you your room. Bring the other one. Don't panic, it's your home. You trust me? Well, let's go. Hey, another one. Come. Let me not sleep.
What happened here?
This kitchen wasn't looking like this when I came in to drink water a few hours ago. Onyinye. She seems like a very hardworking girl. Wow. Wow.
What would you like to have for breakfast?
Anything. Anything is fine.
Okay, I'll prepare something real quick.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome.
What is wrong with the princess? She can't do anything right. She left this house without making the bed. In fact, since we got married, she has never made the bed. I always do it on her behalf. She can't cook or do anything else. Her mother didn't teach her to do these things. I mean, how could she have learned with all the maids in the palace doing virtually everything for her? I am married, yet I do all the house chores in this house. Candy does nothing. Absolutely nothing in this house.
Oh, shit! Ow! What's wrong with this girl? Huh?
What's wrong with this princess girl? What? Who uses the toilet without flushing it? I have told her time and time again, always flush the toilet after using it. But she wouldn't listen. What have I gotten myself into? What? Nobody knows what I'm going through. Nobody. Nobody knows what I'm going through staying with this girl, living in the same house with her. Each time I try to correct her, she tells me, oh, her ex condones her excesses without complaining. What nonsense. What have I gotten myself into? Huh? Everywhere booming.
Why are you so dirty?
Beg your pardon.
You heard me right.
Where is that coming from?
Just a question. Why are you so dirty?
How many times do I tell you to always make the bed every morning when you wake up and flush the toilet after using it.
So what's the big deal? You came back and you saw that I didn't do any of those. Why did you do that?
Were you not taught to do house chores back home?
In case you've forgotten, I am a princess. In my father's palace, I have guards and maids. They are there to do the chores, the cooking, the flushing of toilets, making all the chores in the palace. Not like I don't know how to do them anyway, but I'm used to being served. Okay? I mean, if you need someone to do all the chores in this house, get it out. Simple. Please.
You want me to get a help?
Yeah.
And the same help would flush the toilet on your behalf. Right?
I've said this before, I'm going to say it again. My ex-husband used to do those things for me. It's no big deal.
I see.
Yes.
So Candy, you expect me to sit at home, do the chores, like make the bed on your behalf, flush the toilet on your behalf, cook for you, right?
You're just trying to make an issue where there's none. No issue here. No issue.
Okay. I see. I would have listened to the voice of reason. I wouldn't have listened to the Queen and Prince Vienna when they pushed me to marry the princess. Now everything is messed up, blown out of proportion. 5 years of marriage, and I can't have a child. I should be a father by now. The repercussion of what we did to Greg has come staring at us in the face. I should have just let her go. I destroyed another man's marriage and expect mine to be all rosy and sweet. Ever since I married Princess, it has been from one problem to another. Now, we are back to this kingdom to seek solution to what we brought upon ourselves. I pray for this to pass away.
Hey. Yeah, look already.
How was your night? I'm sorry about that.
Sorry about what? This is what you've always done. What changed me?
Let's say we're having something else for breakfast.
Oh, you prepared something else? Oh, that's so nice. By the way, I hope your mother and that stupid girl she brought her yesterday have left the house. Philip, this is so nice. This is, oh my goodness. Oh. Good morning, princess.
Hi.
I can see you're enjoying the meal, sir.
Yeah.
Should I get more sauce?
Yeah, sure.
Wait. What are you doing here? Philip, what is she still doing here? They're supposed to have left this house. What is she still doing here? Why are you not talking?
They're still around. I mean, prepared the meal. You're eating and you have it. So, yeah.
She did what? Wait, she did what? Philip, you allowed me to eat the concoction that village thing prepared. How wicked can you be?
Hey, shut up! Instead of you to be appreciative of the good meal you're eating and enjoying, you're here calling it concussion. Eh? Let me ask you. For the past 5 years, my son got married to you. Have you ever prepared this type of food for him to eat? Huh? You have not. You're calling it concussion. Besides, this girl you're calling a village girl, she was born and raised in Lagos. Her mother taught her well how to prepare good meal like the one you just had. How to do the house chores and even respect elders. Unlike you, you're just opposite of her. Princess, you have been cursed by the gods. Ever since you killed your unborn child. That's it! I will not sit here and listen to this rubbish.
Philip, I see. This is a conspiracy. You brought me down to Nigeria to humiliate me. You planned this with your mother. Okay, you know what to do. Rubbish. So sorry.
Hey! Can you get me more food? Just wipe this.
Don't worry, let me make another one quick.
This girl is a bad girl. Clear up.
Okay, let me please.
Hey! Philip, how did you end up with this woman? I told you, you didn't listen. If you go near.
Igwe, I thought you said the princess and her husband are back to this kingdom.
Oh, yes, they are.
What are we waiting for? She should move over to this palace to help take care of the queen.
Well, the princess said Philip's mother is trying to persuade Philip to marry Okenwa's daughter.
Which Okenwa are you talking about?
The one that lives in the city with his family.
Did they come home for Christmas?
No. It's the first daughter that came. And the princess said she's currently in her home trying to maneuver things. And as a result of that, she's not ready to sacrifice her marriage for her mother.
Igwe, that shouldn't bother the princess for now. What should bother her now is what she came back to do, and not to have a physical tussle with Philip. It is not necessary. She came back for Ikwaru, for purification and appeasement of the gods of fruitfulness. Eh? It is not necessary. I don't blame her for whatever action she takes. She is only protecting her son disbelief.
Oh no. I saw this coming. Yet my wife, the queen, and her children saw me as a weakling.
But we all decried it. Yes.
If Philip's mother succeeds in pushing the princess out of her matrimonial home due to the fact that she couldn't bear any child for the husband. What will become of her fate? It will appear as if her 2 marriages have failed, which is too bad.
There is an adage I used to tell my children, that which an elder sees sitting down. If a child lies, let him or her climb an iroko tree. He or she cannot see anything.
You are correct to know. And that was exactly what I did. But they didn't understand me. Anyway, this young man, Greg, I heard he's a little bit emotionally imbalanced because of what happened. You know, his business is no longer going well. The extramural class he was organizing is not functioning properly. Even the external exams and all that. And I heard that the 2-story building he was erecting has been put on hold.
Igwe, that is true. The completion of the building cannot continue again due to all this you just said.
Uneasy they say lies the head that wears the crown.
Exactly.
I'm not comfortable at all, with all this. The sicknesses, the state of Greg, and everything.
Hello, Quinette. Yes, I went to the village. What I went to do? Why are you asking? I'm not telling you.
Yes? What is it? What are you doing lying on my couch, you little imp?
Quinette, I'll have to call you back. No, don't worry, it's okay. You're welcome. You're welcome, Princess.
Ask me a question.
What? What did you do that for?
What?
She greeted you and you slapped her.
I don't care about her foolish greeting. What is she doing here? What are you doing here, you homebreaker, husband snatcher? What are you doing here? Are you kidding me? No, I'm not kidding you. What are you doing here?
What is going on here? Huh? I asked a question. What is going on here? Onyinye? What is going on? Who slapped who? Huh? Nothing? Who slapped who now? Come. Did you just call my son's wife a husband snatcher?
Whose wife?
My son's wife.
In your dreams. Listen, I am going to surprise all of you. I will surprise all of you in this house.
Come, is Onyema not a wife snatcher? With the help of royal family's consent, he snatched you from your ex-husband. You even have the guts to kill your innocent unborn child. You are a murderer.
I don't know what you're talking about. You are talking rubbish. Both of you are leaving my house this minute. Yes!
You're so shameless. You are so shameless. Listen, this is my son's house. I am going nowhere. If there's anybody to leave, it's you. Because you are the imposter. Yes.
We shall see.
No problem.
We will see who will run kitty kitty and kata kata out of this house. Eventually, you're going to this house.
You cannot do that. You can't do that.
Husband snatcher.
You can't do that.
You think your bum is bigger than my own? Flaunting it up and down. You will leave. Idiot.
Don't mind her.
Can't have more bum to your own. Come on. Idiot.
Don't
Get
worry.
me, please.
Don't worry, everything will be fine. Don't worry. You will never have peace in this marriage. You will not. As long as I live, you will never have peace in this marriage until you leave my son's house. Wicked girl. My dear, listen. Don't worry. I will be the one to say who stays in my son's house. Okay? Don't worry. Calm down. I will handle the whole thing. Inano? Uzuko. Don't worry.
Philip, listen. Your mother and that stupid girl are leaving my house this minute. Why are you not saying anything? Why are you seated? Why are you maintaining your cool as if everything is fine? Philip, I'm talking to you.
What? Have you gone crazy? Have you gone crazy?
I came in here to sit down and think about my life. And you followed me to create more trouble. Are you stupid?
Wait. Philip, you slapped me.
And I'll slap you again.
You slapped a princess.
Your mom. Huh? Candy. You slapped me?
You slapped me first, and now I have my fingers. Yes.
All right. You know what? I am done. I am done with you. I'm tired. I have tolerated your excesses. Listen, I actually came in here to think of how to run away from you. To bring myself out of everything you have put me through. And you're still here, trying to create more sorrow. Trying to add more sorrow to my life.
There is no peace for the wicked. Oh yes, you heard me. No peace for the wicked. You brought me out of my husband's house. I was happily married. You brought me out. You deceived me into marrying you. And made me commit that terrible abortion that has changed my entire existence.
You should stop fighting. You should stop fighting.
You must be out of your mind. You should blame your mother and your brother for ruining your life. Yes, their quest for material things ruined your life. And I blame myself for putting myself into this mess.
Really?
Yes.
You were the one that sent your people to deceive me into marrying you. Philip, when you came back from overseas and saw that I was already married, why didn't you move on? I ask you, why didn't you move on? Philip!
Fighting is not the best play. Let her go back to her father's house. We're not marrying again.
Huh? Did I hear that right? Oh! That is your plan. I see. You will have to achieve that plan when I am dead because I'm not leaving this house. Once again, Philip, you deceived me. You brought me back to Nigeria because you told me that we are coming back for a solution. But look at it. I didn't know that you have your plans already with your mother. It will not happen. Over my dead body. I'm not going anywhere. Rubbish. I am not going anywhere.
Immaturity is your problem.
I know. I know. I'm not matured, I know. Matured man. Mr. Maturity. I'm not going anywhere. And I'm still talking to you. Come back, we're not done. Come back. Philip. Come back. You want to go and discuss further with your mother? Okay? Open this door. Open this door. Husband snatcher! Carry your big behind! Out of my bag! Get out! Get out of my house! Get out! Idiot! This is
second time you're slapping me in this house. Don't touch me again.
If I have to slap you again, if I have to touch you again, I will kill you. I will kill you. Stop it! Get out!
I'm not going anywhere.
Get out! Give me that. Get out! Get out! Carry your big behind and get out of my house, idiot! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Get out! Princess! Get out! Why you throwing my house? Get out! Get out! I'm not going anywhere. Get out! Get out! I'm not. I will kill you. Get out!
Princess!
Get out!
Princess, what are you doing?
Get out!
Princess! Princess! Leave her alone!
What does it look like? I'm going anywhere.
Princess!
She's leaving my house.
Are you crazy?
Listen, I'll come for you.
Princess!
I'll come back for you.
Princess!
Get out! Get out!
Leave me alone! Leave me alone! I'm not going anywhere.
Get out!
Give me that bag! Are you crazy?
Give me that! Give me that!
Leave her alone!
Hey! Just run my door!
Hey!
Sunday!
Open the gate! Open the gate! Open the gate!
Sunday! You beat me?
Yes, I beat you.
Hey!
Are you mad? Are you mad? Are you? Are you mad?
You are beating me because of this thing.
Are you? Are you crazy?
Wait! You are beating me because of this thing. You are beating me because of this thing.
I'll kill you.
The real war has just started.
I'll kill you.
Wait for me.
Leave my house.
Leave!
Wait for me.
He said you should leave. He's not marrying you again, no! Leave!
Wait
my
for
son
me.
alone.
Wait for me. Wait for me. Wait for me. Wait for me. The real war has just started.
This girl is a
Wait
mad
for
woman.
me. Wait for me. Wait for me.
Have you seen?
Wait for me.
Wait. Chimo!
Princess has killed this one. Ah!
Sunday!
Who's holding the first aid box? Onina? Onina? Yes.
Igwe, what about the water project? It seems not moving.
Yes, there was a little hitch somewhere. It's a contractual thing because I insisted that the quality of the water should be improved. So there are some other facilities they are trying to install. You trust me?
Igwe, I trust you on that.
If anybody comes and looking for me, I'm not around. I'm not around.
What is going on?
I don't know. Let me go and find out.
Killed someone. I murdered Sunday in cold blood. I'm a murderer. What have I done? Am I cursed? Are the gods after me? Maybe the gods pushed me to do this. When am I going to be free from this curse? What have I done? 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 What have I done?
My princess, why did you run into the palace like that? What was chasing you? And why are you crying? Talk to me. What's the problem?
But I killed someone.
What? You did what?
I murdered our gate man. But he caused it, Father. He caused it. My mother-in-law brought a girl for my husband. I was only trying to push a girl out. I was only trying to push her out. But I killed the gate man instead. I killed him. I murdered him. But I...
Candy. You killed someone. And you ran to the palace? Hey.
I'm really tired of what is going on in this palace. I don't understand what is really going on anymore. Can't you see how the queen has been struck down with a great illness, which defies traditional and medical treatments? Eh? The princess has killed someone else and ran to the palace for hiding.
See me, I can never feel pity for them. Yes! He that fetches an ant-infested firewood invites lizard to a feast. When the king, Onowu, and the elders in council told them to remove the monkey's heart from the pot of soup, they were headstrong. Now Prince Vena is languishing in the prison yard. So you see?
Did you know I also heard that when they went to America, Dr. Philip gave him a job to do so he could earn some pay. But he bluntly refused. Instead, he went into a cocaine business, a drug business.
Cocaine business?
We were all there when the drug enforcement agents came to arrest them. He just wanted fast money. Bata and Wechi. Get rich today and die tomorrow. Yes!
They are costs. Why won't they be costs? After what they did to an innocent man.
Just 1 year. Just a year he traveled to America with Dr. Philip. He came back with so much money. Going around the village, making noise in an unusual way. Throwing money everywhere. Not caring whose us was God. So you see, they brought it upon themselves and I don't feel any pity for them.
my Lord.
Yeah. The sun is back, Mom.
Wow.
The sun is back, Mom.
Dollars?
The sun is back, Mom.
Oh my God.
The sun is back, Mom.
You've missed some.
Yeah.
Come here. My son is made.
With too much money.
My son is
I
made.
came with much money.
Will you guys start picking this?
Yes, Mama. Yes, Mama.
Make sure.
The sun is made, Mom.
Oh, my son is okay.
I have money.
Hey.
I have money for you.
Oh my word.
Enjoy.
Oh my word.
Enjoy.
Oh my word. Oh my word. Hey. Happiness. If I go to my business. Hey.
Happiness.
Oh.
If I get money, now my business.
Now your business, son. That's your business.
If I have money, now my business.
That's your business.
So, Mom, where is that?
Oh, he went out.
Oh, he went out?
To one of his meetings. Come,
Okay,
let's go
waiting for him.
inside.
I have enough. Enough inside the
No,
car.
no. son.
Call the gas. Let them upload the things inside the car, right?
What are you doing there? Come on, will you come and pick that money? Look at him like coconut head.
All right. After that, you call them to. I came back with some stuff. Yes, my friend. You pay it out, right? Mom, let's go inside.
Wait. Give me.
Eh. Mommy, I have enough money.
I know you have enough
They'll bring
money.
it inside for you.
Don't worry.
Eh.
Let me have those. Come on. Give me. Be quick.
Hey, my mother.
You know me with money.
You like money.
Of course, I
Hey.
love money.
Don't worry.
You know money talks and bullshit.
I'll fix your account. Eh?
Really?
I'll fix your
I
account.
can't wait to, my goals.
Yes, enjoy.
Come on, let me have those.
Enjoy. Hey.
Look at this one there.
Hey.
Pick it.
Hey.
And that one? Yeah. Pick
Hey,
it.
Mommy, allow them to. Let's go inside.
No, son. You don't know these girls.
Yeah.
I will give them money, but not in dollars. Something like that, you know. Come on, let's go inside.
Let's go inside.
Fix the food.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, be quick. Make sure the dining is set. Happiness.
I can see that you've been drinking. You have drunk yourself to stupor.
No, Father, I had just a few glasses of champagne. I went out with friends. We had fun. We had so much time out. These are friends that I left over here before I went to the States, you know. Okay.
Then, what is it that I'm hearing? That you are throwing money around the streets of this kingdom?
Father, I wasn't throwing money. I only did give away to a few of my friends and some villagers. Just to give away, nothing more.
And you think that is the best way of doing giveaway? Throwing money all over the place?
Is there anything bad with giveaway? I just did giveaway. You know, I cannot go to their houses because you are the king, you know your people. I wouldn't want them to poison me for extending my hand of benevolence to them.
You